Okay, let's talk about tracking company assets. It's often messy, but there's a much smarter way.
Do these questions sound a little too familiar? Yeah, getting straight answers can be a real pain.
And you know, the problem is usually our tools. Static spreadsheets just can't keep up with things anymore.
We really need to shift from just knowing who owns it to who has used it. So how do we make that happen? Well, the answer is something called digital registers. Think of it less like a list and more like a diary for your asset, recording its entire story.
The foundation for all this is a central asset master register. It's your single source of truth.
And just like that, a physical thing becomes a scannable, interactive part of your system.
But an asset's journey is way more than just day one, right? It has a whole life cycle.
So, separate registers track each key stage, from the moment you buy it to when you get rid of it.
Each event is a new entry, building a history that can't be accidentally deleted or changed.
This system gives you transparent answers to those really critical questions about accountability. You can see exactly who had what, when they had it, and what shape it was in when it came back.
Honestly, this level of traceability brings a powerful new clarity to your whole operation.
Every action creates this natural audit trail, complete with who, when, and even where.
And since the data is so clean, you can pull up meaningful reports from your day-to-day work.
Best part? Your teams can update everything in real time on their phones, right where the work is happening.
This completely changes the game. It's no longer just about finding an item on a list. So you have to ask, are you tracking a static list, or are you capturing a living story?